DEEP Robotics X30. Industrial Quadruped Robot. Light 3, Consumer Robot Dog. Already covered X30 robot dogs. The video also has a LiDAR version of Light 3. Why are we making another video? Because DEEP Robotics marketing team told me. The version adds intelligent learning gate. Plus new features. This video shows you these features and updates. Plus exclusive insights. DEEP Robotics Gate. And performance details. Hello. This is a collaboration between Daofengti and DEEP Robotics. So let me start with a conclusion. After a whole day, the feeling the X30 gives me is, this is the most foolproof robotic dog. The stability and reliability of DEEP Robotics is really impressive. In the intelligent learning gate, front legs lift prominently for stability. It can prevent staircase stalling. Plus the perception of 4 LiDARs. This makes the X30 super adaptable to terrain. Excellent perception. Operator just pushes rod. For stairs/slopes/ruins. Just push rod. Pathfinding. The robot dog handles it. Effortless on stairs, Zeta slopes even in ruins. Will not be trapped. Fixed slow rotation. New intelligent learning gate added. This problem is solved. The completion rate remains high, outperforms previous gate versions. There is also the previous generation X20. Reliable performance. Simple operation. Agility. These upgrades, exactly what the industry-grade robot dog needs. Previous video explains. Its hardware, potentially pricier than the robot dog. In order to prevent rollover damage to detached gear, there may be an iron frame to protect the hardware. The X30 shown here is the version used for testing. The PTZ has protective measures. It could be safer. And there's a better way. Boosting reliability to the next level. At least the X30 did it. X30 withstands kicks/drags. No flips, it's a beast. Around 56 kilograms. I feel more relieved after kicking. Excellent anti-jamming ability. Walking stability surpasses expectations. Here comes the fun. There's a new mode called traction. After turning it on, no remote control required. Just use a dog leash to walk it around. This is the test version we shot. For safety. It takes more force to pull away. The follow-up is adjusted. It should be able to pull away with normal force. Load capacity. It has 4 legs. I especially want to use it to bring something. Then we went to the supermarket. X30 payload is around 20 kilograms. The ultimate shopping helper. It's like an all-terrain shopping cart. I can't refuse. Take the big robot dog to go to shopping. DEEP Robotics also provides a particularly suitable frame. As a leading robotic company. Recently, Zhejiang University freshmen enrolled. Used X30 for luggage help. It makes perfect sense. In Hangzhou's heat. X30 is a lifesaver. No manual carrying. Remote control or traction. Is better than carrying by hand. And it can still be pulled. Easy passage through the stairs. In addition, X30 can also pass through a 45 degrees slope. Supports a cruising range of 10 kilometers. Up to 4 hours of battery life. I think climbing or camping, it is more powerful. Might cover this. The hot summer in Hangzhou. X30 handles it. I don't. And X30 supports handstands. Like this fancy way to play. I think it's more about attracting attention. Display technology. At the same time, I also think a big dog handstand is really shocking. It's more dangerous. So you have to keep your distance. X30's real job should also be understood. Charging complete. Kennel opening. Start inspection as planned. Automatic collection of information at specified points. Complete the task. Return to the kennel to charge. This simulates industrial robot dog tasks. This is also the first shot. The inspection system of DEEP Robotics Robot Dog. Manage settings on your computer. View the information collected by the robot dog status. One well-designed charging feature is the groove at the bottom of the robot dog, and the bulge at the top of the charging pile. Make autonomous charging more reliable. That's the X30 breakdown. For Light 3 series. A year later. When we see it again this time, it has been supported. Intelligent learning gait. Added no kick mode. The movement speed has increased significantly. Substantial improvement in passability. When AI mode is enabled on the remote control. Push forward. Dog handles terrain. Light 3's intelligent learning gait. It seems a little bit more radical. Faster cadence than X30. Keeps DEEP Robotics traits. The front legs will be raised higher to better adapt to the terrain, because it does. Since Light 3's limited perception, basic version, there is only one camera and ultrasound in front. Light 3 can't kick mode. Focuses on posture. Avoids falls entirely. But never fall if possible. Recently updated jumping action of DEEP Robotics. Very interesting. I tried it out at the robotics conference in August. Press the A of the remote control to jump. Keep pressing and jumping. It also incorporates the no-kick mode. It's fun, and even if it falls, you can also immediately recover the posture and then jump. Hope this helps. You understand them better. See them on certain occasions to be more familiar. A little bit more. That's our DEEP Robotics dive. See you next time.